Welcome to our channel, Upholstery Technology. It's not that difficult. Guys, visit our website, LeatherTech by Upholstery Technology, or go directly to Upholstery Technology. We have these kits available for you to take home, office, or workplace and do the installation yourself. Or you can come to San Bernardino. We can help you here to do the installation. So let's dive in. Hello everyone and welcome again to Upholstery Technology, when we are demystifying the installation process for your leather kits. And we have the car of the day. It's a 2019 Chevy Camaro. And this is a black wrap, red stitch. It has the Barracuda material. It has square perforations and the background is in colors. In this case, we have red Barracuda. And you know, it looks like crap, I know. But it's not gonna look like that when I finish with the installation. So let's take a look at the toy. And this is the constant challenge with these vehicles. Cloth seats. Stain. Dirty and stinky. So we wanna be doing the replacement. We wanna make this car beautiful with our leather kits. It's not really damaged. Well, but here, it seems like somebody repaired. Actually, you know, this fabric right here is not the same as the other one. So something's going on right here. We want to know what happened. So once we remove the cover, we want to see what's going on. I'm afraid it's an airbag issue. You know, what happened in some of these vehicles, people blew out the airbags, and then when they replaced the covers, they don't put the airbag back in. They make a fake resistor, and the computer can tell you that the airbag is there, but in reality, you have no airbag. We've seen that issue before. I'm going to link another video that we have when we talk about this practice, this scam practice that a lot of car sellers does. Some people, the flip cars does constantly, but that's for another story, another topic. We want to focus on our leather interiors. And again, guys, like, subscribe, visit us right here in San Bernardino, California for your installation. Go to leathertech.com, buy directly, install yourselves. Also, you can go directly to Upholstery Technology so you can get your brand new leather kit. Make an inquiry. If you have a particular question about a car or something that you want me to talk about, please put it in the comments. I'll be happy to assist.